Hello and welcome back to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're looking at a remedy in English law that often captures people's attention because it goes beyond simply awarding money. It's called specific performance, and it can transform the outcome of a dispute when something unique or irreplaceable is on the line. Imagine you're buying a house. You've agreed a price, signed the contract, and already planned where the furniture will go. Then, just before completion, the seller decides they would rather keep the house, or perhaps they've received a higher offer from someone else. You're suddenly left without the very thing you bargained for, and financial compensation doesn't come close to solving the problem. This is where specific performance might enter the picture. Specific performance is a remedy that requires a party to carry out their exact obligations under a contract. Instead of awarding damages, the court can order the contract to be performed as originally agreed. It's a powerful tool because it focuses on delivering the promised outcome rather than simply estimating a financial loss. It comes from the principles of equity, which aim to achieve fairness when traditional legal remedies fall short. Now, it's important to understand that specific performance is not granted as a matter of routine. Courts in England approach it cautiously. Judges generally prefer awarding money because it's straightforward and avoids the need to supervise compliance. Equity steps in only when damages would not be an adequate remedy. The classic example involves land. Every piece of land is considered unique in the eyes of the law, which means money cannot perfectly substitute for a particular property. If a seller tries to walk away from a deal, the buyer may ask the court to compel completion. The same idea can apply to rare goods or items with special personal or commercial value. If something cannot easily be replaced, specific performance becomes a realistic option. However, the remedy has limits. The court will not order specific performance if the contract is vague, uncertain, or impossible to carry out. It also avoids situations that require ongoing supervision or personal service. No one will be forced into working for another person or carrying out tasks that depend heavily on personal trust or cooperation. Equity is about fairness, not coercion. For clients, understanding the availability of specific performance can make a significant difference when approaching a contractual dispute. It can strengthen your negotiating position and, in some cases, ensure you receive exactly what you were promised. It is particularly relevant in property transactions, commercial deals involving unique assets and agreements, where the subject matter has a special character that money cannot fully replace. At Blackstone Solicitors, we guide clients through the complexities of contract enforcement and help assess whether specific performance is the right remedy to pursue. It's always a strategic decision that depends on the facts, the contract, and the fairness of the situation. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more clear and practical legal insights from us at Blackstone Solicitors.